Good morning. Today we are going to discuss issues related to customer service, call center and customer care, call routing and customer retention under the course name of customer relationship management. This is no time for the aviation industry to be smug. As matters stand, aviation is downsizing and cutting costs, but one thing we simply cannot afford in this industry is to deliver a below average customer experience. Poor customer experience accounts for loss of revenues of about 1.4 billion, and further issues arise simply because of the distributed nature of services, diverse channels of communication, and lack of coordination, as well as options for customers during their journey. The situation can improve dramatically with the use of best call center software tailored to suit aviation sector. Which is the first point of contact? The first point of contact is the customers and the customer care executive as far as customer relationship management is concerned. The experience of customers starts at the first point of contact, which is inquiring about flights, schedules, and fares. Modern solutions make use of visual IVR that lets a customer jump straight away to the desired option. IVR in the inbound call center software is the logical tool to deliver a fine first experience. Even with voice responses, one can achieve a lot by delivering just the right information with the least number of key processes. Once a customer is in possession of desired information, the next logical thing is booking a ticket and making payment to confirm his reservation for the flight. One thing is worth considering to go beyond simple voice response. It involves speech retention, and the added cost will pay individuals. What are the components of call centers? There are 6 components of call centers. First is the location, the second is customer, third is technology, the process, the people, finance, and business management. These are the few components of call center which are very helpful in helping the customers to maintain their relationship with the airline industry or any of the industry. There are various functions of call center, which is wider customer base, economical, it is specified service provider, easy access to customers, geographically accessibility, it avoid overhead charges. The components of call center includes location, customer technology, process, people, finance, and business management. The call routing is a call management procedure wherein a call is sent to a specific customer care executive who is qualified in the technical term. Any number of reasons can cause a call to be routed to the concerned customer care executive during the day, and the preferred language in which customer is interested to speak with the customer care executive. Optimization of the call center solution is to exercise greater control and visibility over business calls, tracking customers and hearing recorded conversation, both incoming and outgoing, irrespective of their point of origin. The optimization of a call center is a process to integrate your toll-free number with leading customer relationship management softwares and automatically add customer data. The call center agent is the first person to contact to the contact center that is ended before any conversation occurs. The call center agent, also known as call center representative, who is a person who is responsible for handling incoming and outgoing customer calls or any other communication with the customers in the contact center of an organization. A call routing system is also known as an automatic call distributor (ACD). Since traditional models of customer service were based on phone, the primary method of contact between customers and companies with procedures of sending calls to the right agent become known as call distributor. What are the benefits of call routing? There are various benefits of call routing. When there is a queue of customers waiting on the line, most businesses agree getting those customers connected to the right agent as quickly as possible is a high priority. Call routing allows businesses to connect their customers to the right agent faster. Attribute-based routing assesses the needs and context of each caller and connects them to the most qualified agent available with the skills to address those needs. Priority-based routing lets businesses elevate the most important callers to the front of the queue. Intelligent call routing is not just beneficial for customers, it also increases agent productivity by ensuring that agents are working on the right task at the right time instead of prioritizing less urgent tasks or working what they are not suited for. Means when call is routed through various channels, it reaches to the right person who will be able to resolve the issues of the customer who are calling to the customer call center. What is call routing? Call routing is known as traditional model of customer service where based on phone support as the primary method of contact between customers and companies, the procedure of sending calls to the right agent become known as call routing. However, modern agents interact with customers through a variety of channels. The call center has evolved into the contact center. Typically, those organizations that are just establishing themselves have a more basic approach to customer service. They just want to connect customer calls with the right department within their business. Here, direct routing is the standard model. If you want to call the sales number, then if it is busy, you have to wait. But in the modern call routing system, there is no need to wait because there are various customer call agents who are available to understand the problem of the customer, to understand the issues of the customers. Call routing helps customers not only have their needs met quickly, but also have an overall better experience. By anticipating customer needs and automating actions where possible, call routing creates a more personalized and efficient customer experience, which has a direct impact on a business bottom line. Customer research shows that 67% of customers will give more business to a company as a result of positive communication experiences. It means that positive communication with the customers over telephone, over call is very essential and is the right process of satisfying the needs of the customers. But after a poor communication experience, 38 of customers will switch to a competitor or cancel orders or services. Then 66% will tell a friend about their experience out of 38 unsatisfied customers, and 41 will stop doing business with the airline concerned altogether. It means that there should be no chance to develop a percentage or consider the percentage on the increasing side of dissatisfied customers, as this is going to lose the business by any of the airlines. What is IVR routing? In cases where human agents are not necessary, Call routing enables virtual assistants and interactive voice responses system to provide instant help. In fact, Gartner predicts that customer preferences for independence and self-service automation will likely rise to 85% by 2021. An IVR system with custom built menus can expedite incoming calls, accurately routing callers, or even scheduling a call back, reducing both the cost and the time to resolution. Because customers prefer self-help features over waiting on hold for human contact, implementing an IVR system makes good business sense. This is especially true since IVR-handled calls can cost 100 times less than those involving a live agent. Equipped with intelligent call routing, IVR systems can reduce operating costs while increasing customer satisfaction. There are various types of routing of call. It is direct routing, first number, hunt groups, then least idle. There should be no idle call. Least occupied routing, skill-based routing means whatever is the issue, you will be reaching to the right person who is the concerned person. Dynamic and service level routing, business rules routing, data directed routing, value based routing, outbound routing, and multimedia and multimodal routing. These are the few types of call routing which are very essential in any of the business, especially in aviation industry or airline industry, because customers want their this value based resolution and this skill based routing, which are very essentially considered in aviation industry. The customer retention, if we talk about customer retention, it is related to overall satisfaction, the strength of the brand, future intentions of the brand, advocacy, and perceived value for money. When the customers feel the offer value for their money, they are retained with they are loyal to the customers, they are loyal to the product. If brand is making commitment for emotional commitments, honoring emotional commitments, then customer is retained. When there is intention or propensity to recommend, customers are retained. When intention or propensity to repurchase, change, spend, and share, there is a chance of retention of customers, because customer retention is considered as a very big issue in any of the organization, and especially it is not viable, it is not uh, considered as important to lose aviation travelers, aviation passengers. They should be remain with the airline concerned. Otherwise, airline concerned will be losing benefits and profits. Then there are various issues considered as customer retention. Customer retention is the ability of a business to retain customers. It is both a measure to customer loyalty and the capacity of the business to keep customers satisfied by good service and quality of the product sold. The best customer for any business is the returning one. It shows that the customer is happy with both the service and the product, but there are other benefits too. A returning customer is cheaper to the business as they will need to spend less on advertising or inducements such as price cutting and giveaways. A happy customer will also tell other potential customers regarding the service, regarding the product, or regarding the airline, and doing a job of marketing for the customer, for the airline, or for the aviation industry. Whereas getting new customer is expensive. Retention of loyal customers refers other satisfied customers. Repeat customers spend more loyal customers than engaging new customers, which is very costly affair. So, in customer relationship management, attending calls of the customers through various call routing and retaining the customers or the passengers is very much considered as essential part of the profit making airline. So thank you very much. Have a good day.